In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Arc Raiders online connection error on your PS5. So the first thing we need to do is to go into settings right here on our PS5 and then go into network. And then go into settings right here and set up internet connection. And then you're going to check the Wi-Fi that you're connected to and you're going to click on this options button right here as you can see and then click on advanced settings. And now what you need to do in here is to just scroll down and change the DNS settings from automatic to manual instead. And then the primary DNS should be exactly like this, 1.1.1.1 as you can see, and then the secondary DNS needs to be 1.0.0.1. Then you're going to click on OK right here and you're going to see it's going to say connecting to the access point and then connecting to the internet. Takes just a couple of seconds and you should be back on internet here once again. This should give you a little bit better, stronger connection in general. And then what you need to do after that is to go into users and accounts and then go into other and restore licenses right here and then select Arc Raiders and then click on restore. Just going to take you a couple of seconds probably to be able to finish this process perfectly. So do this and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.